also had many other activities going on. Recently, we launched a magnificent architectural plan here for the Iteso Palace, the Iteso, which we feel that if we realize that dream, it is going to be the headquarters of Ateke, because it is a very magnificent building. We are going to rally our people to ensure that we contribute money to build the palace. I know government has given us support, but that is to begin. Does not mean that will be what we shall need to complete the palace. This palace is almost worth about $15–16 million. So the money is going to come from that people. And then secondly, we would like to urge our people to come in big numbers to attend this function. This festival is going to be there for 3 days, but we are ready to keep you even for 5 days. We are not limiting ourselves for 3 days. From tomorrow, we are ready to host you. Even at the end of the day, or 30th, 29th, we can still continue to host you on 30th. We have that capacity. So we urge all that. This is the only opportunity where 5 heads of states are coming together to grace a cultural function. So if you don't count yourself in this history making, then you have lost. And even our neighbors, this function is not only limited to Atakere people. Even our neighbors are welcome. They should come to learn from us. Let them come and enjoy for us together as we celebrate this important function. And I also like to urge all the Iteso leaders. This is the time we should bury our differences in the toilets. This is the time we need everybody to speak up with his head up. Let's unite together, work together to ensure that this function becomes a success. With the involvement of each and every one. Let us not come and wash our dirty linen before our visitors. This is the time for us to show up as women and men of Iteso. So, kadis kamono, I'm going to abalang be. Alamano ye muria kolia.